Hey, greetings and salutations, everybody. Um, I want to do this quick video because I've had a lot of parents ask me for help, ask how to file appeals, ask how to do different things with the system. Um, and here I'm going to show you guys why I can't directly help anybody, okay? I would love to, but they will hit me for practicing law without a license. I'm telling you. I'm sorry, I'm not going to lose my kids and go to prison to try to keep you from losing your kids. I mean, I'm sorry. I wish I could, but I can't make that sacrifice. So here's what you do. You go to this address up here, secureapp.dhs.state.iowa or ia.us. Basically what you can do is you can just type in, go to Google, filing a DHS appeal in Iowa. You click on, appeal a DHS decision. And then it asks, who can appeal? Anyone has the right to appeal. How do I file an appeal? And it actually is pretty easy. I'm just going to kind of show you guys a little bit. But, you put in, when you click, you'll select the appeals form over here. Fill it out. Your name, address, phone number, all that good stuff. Case or account number, if you have a case number in that. They always have a case number on the top of your DHS stuff. Make sure you put that in. Then you select what you're doing, whether it's for foster care stuff, child abuse case, adult abuse, whatever the case may be. If it's not listed here, obviously write other. And then you get a 500 character max limit to tell them why you're appealing it. Say they misclassified this as abuse and it's not, or they found it a case of denial of critical care when there's no critical care that was denied. Things like that. You write in why. And then here's where you get to, this is why I can't help you people, and I'm sorry I can't. If someone will be helping you with your appeal, write that person's name and address below. You do not have to list someone here. If you are appealing child abuse, or quote, or in parentheses here, or in, symbols here, if you are appealing child abuse or adult abuse, then only an attorney can help with your appeal. And then that's when that is listed like that, the minute I help you, I'm taking the part of the attorney, okay? And they're going to hit me with practicing law without a license. I can't do it. So at the end of the day, I wish I could help people, but I can't. If I lived in California or New Jersey, I could take the bar without a law degree, and then I'd actually be a lawyer in those states, but I still couldn't practice here in Iowa or any other state that has the policy the same as Iowa's, that you can't take the bar unless you have a law degree. So someone like me can't be a lawyer because law schools will never accept someone like me. And so at the end of the day, you're stuck with going with the sellout lawyers, the people that actually became lawyers, that actually go along with this type of system. Because someone like me as a lawyer, these laws wouldn't exist anymore. Let's just put it that way, okay? It'd be tied up in litigation forever. And these policies wouldn't exist anymore. But I don't have that kind of power, and I don't have that kind of money to buy my way in like, like our politicians. Let's just put it that way. So, at the end of the day, that's why I can't help people directly. And in Iowa, Common circumstances, blah, 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 non-lawyers. And see right here, Iowa's court rules leave the determination of whether a person is practicing law to the Iowa Supreme Court and Commission of Unauthorized Practice of Law. Supreme Court noted that it is not fashioned an all-inclusive definition of what constitutes the practice of law, but did say that it includes representing another before the courts, giving legal advice and counsel to others relating to their rights and obligations under the law. Like I said, I'm as close, like, the videos I've put out there about my experience is what lets me get away with what I've said. Had I not actually had to go through and defend myself and do all of that, and I wouldn't even be able to talk about it publicly, you see? Like, everything I've done in my videos is as close to the legal definitions as, I mean, they don't have an all-inclusive definition, but what a basic person could surmise is their interpretation of practicing law. And that is why I can't directly walk people through your appeals. I can't walk you through filing paperwork. I can't walk you through going through courts. I can't write up your summations to the courts. I can't do any of that stuff, because they'll lock me up. It doesn't end well for people practicing law without a license. But being that I've had to go through it myself, yeah, I can show you those web pages and the basic things of doing that. But, like, that's as far as I can go, and I'm extremely sorry. But I can't risk my family and my life and my family for yours. I'm sorry, I can't. That's why I said when I put those rulings and other things out there that that's all public knowledge anyway. You just have to know where to look for it. Which they don't make it easy on any of this stuff. But the filing an appeal is extremely easy. Like I showed you guys on that page, you simply fill that out, and then they will schedule you a thing where you do a phone conference, whatever, beforehand, and it'll be an administrative law judge and you and the DHS worker or the state's attorney that's representing DHS or whatever in the appeals. Whether I'll tell you what, I've never been denied an appeal hearing. In, 9 cases, I've never been denied an appeal. Not in Iowa. So, the Court of Appeals here is, they're legit. And, if people go above and beyond, like on as far as DHS workers with their harassment and other things, file actual complaints with the ombudsman's office. That's what they're there for. Just recently, I had to file one with them on the DMV with their website and their appointments set up and all that. It wasn't working at all. And I have an elderly mother that needed to get in there to be able to renew her driver's license and ID and stuff. And it was a humongous runaround just to get that. So I was like, hey, they're a state agency supposedly. Let's see if they can do it. Well, the person that had the case at the DMV couldn't get through on any measure either, and got a hold of the top people at the DMV, and or the person that got the case at the ombudsman's office, they couldn't get a hold of them either. And so they, did what they had to do, and I think it's up and running now, so it's easier now. But yeah, their system was completely broken and crap, 2 months ago. But So I mean, they do take notice of complaints. They do work on those, and that's just the regular ombudsman's website. You can go right to it. You can Google search for it and go right to it. That's all I did. Um, but I am truly sorry that I'm not able to actually help people the way I would like to. But I can't risk, um, everything for that. And I'm extremely sorry. But I mean, I'll continue to put out information, as much as I literally legally can. But I can't, directly help in individual cases. I'm sorry, I can't. And I've had hundreds of, you know, people contact me in various ways on different, platforms over this stuff, and it really does break my heart, and I'm very truly sorry, but I just can't do it. And so with that, thanks for watching, and have a good one, everybody. Be safe. Peace.